So, made some initial cuts. This is the middle module here and the right hand module there, or left hand one, depending on how you look at it. Laying track, and I've cut the two main lines here, and this passing siding is cut so that can come apart. And now I've done some weathering and started laying some ballast. So the two outside tracks there, I'm going to check on what sort of kits I might use there, sort of Walther's background kits or something similar. So I don't want to lay that track just yet firm until I know the size of the building. So it'll be this will be the rear of the module, and so there'll be half, what do you call them, background buildings with only a front half on them here, and eventually a back scene as well. So that's where we're going at the moment. I want to complete then the passing siding up to here on this side, and then I'll remove the right hand module there, stick on the left hand module on this end and do the same thing, so to complete the main lines and the passing sidings, and then take it from there. So I've done quite a bit of work on the middle and left hand module. Now I've got the middle module up there. You can see I've done more ballasting and laid some track and cut the track, 5 sets of tracks to be cut. And that worked out okay with a slight mod. And now here the left hand module will start doing the same thing. First laying the passing sidings, and then here will be a yard to operate some goods traffic. It's quite a slog, really. It's quite having to take into account that everything needs to be split up. It's quite a bit of extra wiring hookups needed. Everything needs to be able to be unplugged, etc. So you have to think through on all your wiring, where to add some plugs to be able to uncouple your wiring. I have two end modules, a left and a right, which are basically symmetrical in function. I had a wiring issue, so I put the two together to check wiring. What I found was this wire here coming from the switch between M-Track operation and PC operation, this wire, which is the same one over here, that needs to go to there, which is why the section wasn't working correctly. So that's another handy feature of having two symmetrical modules. Check the wiring. So this needs to hook up to there, and then we should be good to go. Let's see, most of what you see, that's the stop section, the old stop section, which detected the left hand rail and set a section of track without power to stop any upcoming trains. Same on this side, so that was required. Not everybody has that function, but what I've been adding is the ability to upgrade and to change to PC operation. For instance, there's a switch there, PC automation versus M-Track operation. So when you switch that to PCA, then the computer takes over and it bypasses that section of track that's without power, so avoiding the sudden stops of the locomotives. So, and the rest are basically these little galvanic isolation circuits. As we pull the track detection off the track, that operates a relay and offers then clean ground for detection purposes. So there are a number of those, 2 of those in each module of a section. Plus what you also need is a lot of hookups. What I'm using there are little chocolate block and telephone jacks. So I've got a couple of those, allowing easy hookup of 8 wires across the module. There they are on the other side. So a lot of things to look at. But I must say it's a good deal of fun to build modules like this instead of a full-size layout. I'm quite enjoying the exercise.